In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a landing page from your campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so you can safely take a page offline when a promotion ends, a webinar is over, or you simply need to pause signups. Unpublishing removes the page from public view without deleting your work, which means you can make updates behind the scenes and bring it back later if needed. First, open your workspace and head to Campaigns, then select All Campaigns. This is the central place where every campaign and its related assets live, including your landing pages. If you manage multiple projects, double-check you're in the right account or folder before continuing, so you don't accidentally change the wrong item. Next, locate the landing page you want to unpublish. You might see titles like Hello New Subscriber, Webinar Registration, or Subscribe. Scan the list for the exact name you recognize. If your list is long, use the page title, status, or last modified date as clues to confirm you're looking at the correct row. Taking a second here to verify the name can prevent unpublishing the wrong page. On the right side of that landing page's row, look for the three-dot Actions menu. It's sometimes called the Overflow or More Options menu, and it usually appears at the end of the row when you hover over it. Click it to reveal the available options for that specific page. If you don't see the menu right away, make sure your browser window is wide enough and that you're hovering over the correct row. From the Actions menu, choose Unpublish. Selecting this tells the system you want the page to stop being available at its public URL. You aren't deleting the content, you're simply turning it off so new visitors can't access it. In many setups, the page status will switch from published to unpublished, or draft, once this process completes. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure this is what you intend. Review the message, then click Unpublish or Confirm to finalize. After you confirm, expect a short processing moment. The status should update, and the page will no longer be publicly accessible. If you still see it live immediately after, that could be due to caching. Give it a moment and refresh your browser. That's all it takes. You've navigated to all campaigns, found the correct landing page, opened the Actions menu, selected Unpublish, and confirmed the change, ensuring your page is safely taken offline while preserving all your work for future updates.